user's diary. In this video, I will explain you the user interface of Ganache blockchain. So if you have missed my last session where I have explained the installation of this blockchain, you can just go down to the link which I have mentioned and you can install this one. So in this UI, as you can see, you have mainly four sections, which is accounts, blocks, transaction and logs. The very first section is accounts. So as you can see, when you install this blockchain on the Windows machine, you will get 10 accounts by default. So currently you can see 100 ethers are assigned to each account, and currently transactions are 0 because we haven't deployed any smart contract on this blockchain and we haven't interacted with this blockchain yet. So this is the reason the transaction count is currently 0. As we go along, as we deploy some contract here or we start accessing that one, then this transaction count will start to change for each account as we use that one. If you can see down here, so the indexing is mentioned like from 0 to 1, 2, 3. So this is the indexing for each account. So total you can see we have 10 accounts. So this is the very first option which we have in this one. So now let's move to second block, which is the blocks. So as you're aware from Ethereum definition, what blockchain means. So blockchain is nothing, is a combination of blocks which are interlinked with each other. So currently, as you can see, the block count is 0, and the mining happened on the day when we have installed this one, which is today only. And currently gas is 0 used because we haven't really used this blockchain yet. So as soon as we started to use this blockchain, this block count will start to increase from 0 to 1, 2, and 3 and 4, so on. So let's move to transactions. So transaction is currently showing, as you can see, there is no transaction in this one because we haven't interacted with this blockchain here. So this is the reason it will show no transaction here right now. Let's move to logs. So logs, as soon as you will start interacting with this blockchain, so it will start to see the logs here. If some blocks are created, it will show that the blocks are created. In case you see some issue while interacting with this blockchain, the error will be shown here. So this is kind of logs, the server kind of log which you can see. So now, whenever you need some more detail about the host name, the username, not the host username, sorry, the host name, the port number, network ID. So you can simply see from here, either you can see the network ID is 5777 and the RPC server. So if you want to access this blockchain from remotely, so this is the URL you have to use. So 127.0.0.1, this is your local host, and port number by default is 7545. Okay, now, so if you want to change these details, so you have the option here, you can go to settings. Under settings, you have the host name. You can change this one, you can change the port number as well, you can change the network ID as well. Okay, so then if you can see, there are some more actions. So you can choose the option here to generate more account or less account. You have the option for chaining. You can limit the gas also here, which will come in the later videos.